Entrepreneurs, the catalysts behind innovation and social change, are at the core of the Nudge Incubator's mission. Since 2017, we have supported 10 cohorts with over 100 organizations, empowering 180 plus founders. In 2022, we have sharpened our focus on fostering resilient livelihoods. The N10 cohort, known for its agility, innovation and tech leverage, is a testament to this mission. These entrepreneurs work across sectors such as skilling, micro-entrepreneurship, agriculture, financial inclusion and advocacy, focusing on marginalized groups such as migrant workers, women, gender and sexual minorities, care leavers, artisans and people with disabilities. The N10 cohort embodies the transformative impact that purpose-driven entrepreneurship can have on diverse sectors, contributing to positive social change. Founded by visually impaired entrepreneurs, iSTEM takes an AI-powered approach to empower high-potential people with disabilities by offering accessible content, upskilling opportunities, career discovery and placements. To date, iSTEM has supported 4,000 users from 10 different countries. OpenGrad, a Kerala-based organization, is committed to addressing disparities in accessing quality higher education and leveling the playing field. Through their cutting-edge, open-source, tech-first platform designed by volunteers, the founders provide coaching materials, mentorship, and career counseling to underserved youth. This enables youth in unlocking improved livelihood prospects and have a higher growth potential. Creating support systems is challenging, especially for youth without a foundation. Click, a care leaver-led organization, offers network, skilling, and placement facilities for numerous care leavers through their app, Dhruva. This platform also provides documentation and ID services, connecting the youth to mental and physical health benefits, fostering family-like support structures. Outlawed innovates last-mile support by training women, trans people and youth as paralegals, generating employment and providing legal aid in local languages. The combination of physical and app-based support enhances accessibility, building resilience for marginalized groups. Kargewale supports emerging artisan designer entrepreneurs, ADEs, with a baseline average income of Rs 5,600 per month. Their incubation program emphasizes creative agency, assisting artisan entrepreneurs in product design and market access to enhance their enterprises.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಾನೂನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಲೀಗಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Ahara empowers tribal women in Jharkhand by enabling adoption of cost-effective natural farming methods. They train women in creating soil beds and implementing bioharvest solutions using forest biowaste, thereby doubling crop yields. Their initiative also turns women into forestpreneurs by supporting them in selling soil beds locally. Led by LGBTQIA+ founders, Plexus addresses socio-economic exclusion in India's transgender community. They provide safe housing, positive role models, and dignified livelihood alternatives beyond sex work and begging. Their aim is to build sustainable models through community-led initiatives and advocacy.
परिवर्तन आया, हमारा जीवन बदल गया। काफ़ी महिलाओं को इससे काफ़ी फ़ायदा भी हुआ। जो बीज एक बार लगाते हैं उसको 2-3 साल में भी लगा सकते हैं और पैसे की बचत हो रही है।
Prosperity builds state capacity to increase economic freedom in India. They are on a mission to systematically remove regulatory barriers so that entrepreneurs can create more jobs and workers can earn more. They support state governments adopt reforms in labor, building and construction to spur productivity, jobs and growth. Chalo Network assists low-income, primarily migrant workers with financial services through an app, WhatsApp chatbot, and trained on-field agents. Their efforts alleviate debt traps and instability, providing relief to the informal economy. Tapasya, in collaboration with ASHA workers, streamlines access to government schemes for marginalized families in direct transfers, education, asset building, and insurance. Using an app, their Sakhis effectively bridge the government-people gap, reducing poverty by lowering consumption costs. Project Deep implements a universal and unconditional cash transfer program for women from low-income households. This initiative empowers women and demonstrates that direct cash transfers can build agency, stimulate growth, break intergenerational poverty, and boost rural development.
पहले मैं खुला में रहती थी, अभी घर बना के खुश रहूंगी.
These entrepreneurs in Cohort 10 symbolize hope and innovation by transforming millions of underserved lives. We thank the donors for believing in their potential and the mentors for guiding and empowering impactful change.
The best word I would use,
The one word that I will use
to describe my experience with incubation at Nudge
would be impactful.
is enriching.
I think fantastic.
Introspective.
कहूँगा कि unique,
Challenging.
Amazing.
Catalytic.
Together, let's catalyze change.